Hi friends, hearty welcome to you all to my channel Cook with Sana Khuram. This is Sana. Today's recipe is the most trending cakes of this Christmas season, the tub cakes. They make the cutest and perfect ones for gifting on any occasion, and the best thing about them is they are easy to carry too. In today's recipe, I will show you how to make 5 exotic flavored tub cakes with just one vanilla sponge cake base. I have used acrylic tubs with lids. They are reusable. I had bought them from Amazon. You get disposable tubs too from Amazon at a cheaper rate too. Now come, join with me to make this beautiful and scrumptious tub cakes. Take a saucepan and add fresh strawberries diced 1 cup and add half a cup of sugar to this and cook them over a very slow flame for about 3 minutes. Never add water at all. The water will get released from the sugar and that will cook the strawberries. Once it gets boiled, you can reduce the flame further. Don't cook it over a high flame. Now you can switch off the stove. The strawberry sauce is ready. Transfer to a bowl and let the mixture cool in room temperature. Now keep it aside. Now I have this eggless vanilla cake, and this is the acrylic tub. You can cut the cake with the open end of the tub so that the cake gets fitted properly into the tub without any space at the sides. So this is the way you should cut it, and slice the cake at the center so that you get 2 pieces, and you can place 1 piece into the tub and top it with some strawberry sauce that we had prepared, the cooled strawberry sauce, and spread it thoroughly and pipe in the whipped cream on top of it. I have added strawberry essence and icing sugar to the whipped cream to add flavor to it. Now level it with a spoon and then place another cake slice, and repeat the same process. Top it with some strawberry sauce again and then pipe in the whipped cream this way. If you want the recipe for the vanilla cake, you can just go through my video. I have given the link in the description box. Now refrigerate this for 1 hour before we do the icing. Now let's start decorating the cake with some icing. Now for making these flowers with whipped cream, I have used edible pink gel color and strawberry essence and icing sugar. I have whipped the cream and I'm making these roses. Place very gently over the whipped topping, and you can make some leaves out of the whipped cream. With white whipped cream, I have made some leaves. Another rose flower I am making. You can decorate them as you like. I have made both eggless vanilla cake and vanilla sponge cake with egg. Both are there in my channel. You can go through the video. I have given the link in the description box, and you can make either vanilla cake with egg or without egg. Now you can see it is so beautiful. There you go, a beautiful and yummy-licious strawberry cupcake is ready to be served. Place the vanilla sponge cake into the tub and brush it with some pineapple syrup, which I have used from the canned pineapple pieces. Because I've used canned pineapple, so I have used the syrup present in the can. Now arrange the pineapple pieces into them and refrigerate them till we make the pineapple glaze. For the pineapple glaze, take a saucepan and add half a cup of pineapple jam and melt it over a slow flame. Never keep it over a high flame because it contains corn flour, so it will get burnt. So bring it to liquid consistency and keep on stirring it with a spatula so that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom. Now you can see this is the perfect consistency. Switch off the stove and add 1 drop of edible yellow gel color. Now a pineapple glaze is ready. Transfer to a bowl and let it cool in room temperature and keep it aside. Now once cooled, spread it over the pineapple pieces. Don't use them when they are hot, so it should attain the room temperature. Now add pineapple flavored sweetened whipped cream and level it with a spatula or spoon. And now again arrange the pineapple pieces. I have used canned pineapples, and top it with another cake slice and rub some sugar syrup and top it over whipped cream. The same process to be repeated. Level it with a spoon. Now spread the pineapple glaze on top of the whipped cream. Do it very gently. Now you can see the sheen that the glaze is given. It is so beautiful. Set it in the refrigerator for 1 hour, and after 1 hour you can decorate with pineapple pieces, chocolate garnishes and some candied cherries. Now a moist, heavenly delicious and extraordinary pineapple tub cake is ready to be served. I have taken 5 gulab jamuns along with the gulab jamun syrup. Now I have the whipped cream with me, the sweetened whipped cream, in which I have added 2 drops of cardamom essence and 2 drops of rose essence, and this is sweetened whipped cream. I have added the essence and I have kept aside. Now I'm going to cut the jamuns into small pieces. Few pieces I'm going to cut, and the rest I'm going to cut them into halves, and these are for garnishing, so keep them separately. Now keep these aside for final garnishing. Now again place the vanilla cake into the tub and brush with some gulab jamun syrup. Now arrange the cut jamuns over the cake this way and top with blanched and thinly sliced pistachios and cover them with the whipped cream and spread it well with a spatula and garnish with the half jamuns on top and add some pistachios and some dried rose petals for that authentic flavor. These are the dried rose petals. These type of fusion cakes are in trend now. So a famous fusion cake, the melt in mouth gulab jamun tub cake, is ready to be served. For making the Kit Kat and Lotus biscoff combo tub cakes, I have taken Kit Kat, cut them into small pieces. See that all the pieces are of the same size, and keep them aside. These are Lotus biscoff biscuits, and they are very famous and they are in trend now. These biscuits are world famous for the unique caramel with cinnamon taste and the crunchiness also. I bought these from Nuts and Spices. You get them in online portals also. Crumble the biscuits with your hand like this and powder them roughly with a rolling pin. Don't use mixer for this because this is the texture we require. Keep it aside. Now place the vanilla cake into the tub and brush with some sugar syrup. Sugar syrup is nothing but sugar mixed with water, and that's it. Now arrange the chopped Kit Kats over it and top it well with vanilla flavored whipped cream, the sweetened whipped cream flavored with vanilla, and top it with some powdered biscuits, the Lotus biscoff biscuits that we had powdered, and press gently and refrigerate it for about 1 hour so that it is not loose. Now after 1 hour you can decorate with the icing. Never do the icing before refrigerating it, otherwise the biscuits, the crumbles will be loose. Now top the icing with the biscoff biscuit and Kit Kat this way. Pipe some caramel sauce on top and serve it immediately. Now a super delicious biscoff and Kit Kat tub cake is ready to be served, and look at that, it's so beautiful and so cute and very appealing too. Place the vanilla sponge cake into the cake tub, and brush it with some sugar syrup and top it with some black currant crush. Spread it well with a spoon. Now this is whipped cream, sweetened whipped cream mixed with black currant essence, and I have added icing sugar to sweeten it. Now spread it over it. Spread it over the blackcurrant crush neatly, and place another cake slice, and then top it with the sugar syrup and the blackcurrant crush, and keep it aside. And this is whipped cream with blackcurrant essence and purple edible gel color I've used, and I've whisked it very well with a whisk. I'm going to top it and spread it well over the blackcurrant crush. It looks so beautiful, the color is too good. Spread it neatly and refrigerate it for 1 hour. Now after 1 hour we can give a glaze to this cake. So this is edible neutral glaze. This is transparent and this is readily available in the market. You can just buy them, mix some water, and you can use them directly over the cakes. You just have to add color. So I'm going to add 1 drop of purple gel color, edible gel color, and 1 drop of blackcurrant essence, and I'm going to mix well. And now it's ready to be spread over the whipped cream. This is so easy. You don't have to make anything. You just have to buy from the market and then add some water and color and essence, and you have to just spread over the cake, and it looks so beautiful. To add some more jazz to this cake, we're going to add edible purple dust. Just dust it upon this, and decorate with some sugar balls, silver balls, and whipped cream. Now a fabulous looking and delectable blackcurrant tub cake is ready to be served. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this recipe and my video, please hit a like, subscribe to my channel, and enable the bell icon so that you will not miss out my new uploads. Thank you all very much. With lots of love, Sana Khuram.